Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original. Duplicate the background and convert the copy to a smart object so every change stays reversible. Next, remove color quickly. Apply image adjustments black and white for control, or use hue/saturation and pull saturation to -100 for a fast desaturate. Once done, name the layer and save a version. This gives you a clean grayscale base and keeps color data intact beneath the smart layer, which you will reference in the next steps. Now refine contrast and local tonal balance. Add a curves or levels adjustment layer above the desaturated smart object and clip it so it affects only that layer. You'll want to paint on the adjustment mask with a low opacity black brush to selectively reduce effect or reveal subtle texture. For hybrid looks, duplicate the color original above, set blend mode to color or soft light, and use blend if sliders to merge highlights and shadows. Make sure to zoom in and toggle visibility to inspect transitions. To finish, create a flattened composite copy with Shift plus Control plus Alt plus E so you can export while keeping layers. Export via Save As or Export As, choose the appropriate format, TIFF/PNG for quality, JPEG for web. If you need a color-preserved variant, toggle the color layer visibility before exporting. If you encounter banding or posterization, switch to 16-bit mode or add 1% noise on a neutral layer and set it to overlay to disguise artifacts. This single tip resolves most final output problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.